So this is our dessert table. We got this salad, just the normal one without any flavor. Like you can get it in chocolate and different kind of flavor. But we got the normal one. This is our tavuk boksu, and this is kunefe with ice cream. So I'm going to start with my best salad, and you can see like how thick it is. Okay. It's hot and creamy. It's basically like sweet, hot cream. That's what I'm tasting. So it cannot go wrong, trust me. And it smells really good. So let's try this chicken pudding. Okay, it's really creamy. Just see the texture. Okay, like you cannot smell the chicken, but I'm getting the cardamom flavor. So it's really good. Perfect. You wouldn't believe that this is made out of chicken.
Yeah.
Perfect. Third one is kunefe, which is grilled cheese. It's crispy because they burned it from the top, but I believe it would be a little moist and cheesy from inside. Yes, it is, and you can see how gooey it is. Can you see that? This is good. I feel like this tastes similar to baklava. I'm liking it. It's good. It's like you get 4 set of baklava. We got the pistachio baklava. So I'm going to try this. It's like usual baklava, but I would say it's a little bit more sweeter. It's written lokmasi. I heard about it. It's like a mini donut, but it's a different kind of donut. So I got it for 5 lira. Okay, give it a try. It gives me a taste something similar to Bengali sweet actually. It tastes similar to langcha. Yeah, it's weird. It looks like donut, but it tastes like langcha. It is so tasty that I have to get another one. And actually, I walked for a minute and so, and then I came back just for the second one. This knife.
Okay, that's how it looks.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a fig. Yeah.
Look what I found. There is a half-cut walnut inside this fig. This is good, but it's just too sugary again for me.
Okay?
Oh, that's a lot.
Yapıp neye bak? Güzelleş. Çak saçlarını. Telefon. Right.
My hair got messy because I wanted to eat this ice cream or dondurma, Turkish ice cream. It's really nice. I wasn't expecting. Actually, I like ice cream a little bit chewy, not like melting fast. It is like that. It's a little chewy, so I'm really liking it. It's a little bit salty, but it's good. I like it. And I got different flavor. Pistachio, something red, chocolate, and vanilla.